Hey guys, how you doing? This is Antonio here from Poppa Homes, where we talk about turning credit into wealth by using the magnificent power of real estate. Here I'm out here in front of another property that we purchased here, and man, it's a good one here, guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a little pan of the neighborhood here. Pan of the neighborhood, see how things are. Property's looking pretty nice. Let's go and get back the other way. That's the number one key, guys. Pan the neighborhood, see what's going on. There's no one outside. Nice weather here today, no noise. Perfect place to buy a house. So let me give you a little quick update on this house here. This is a property that we picked up as a sub 2, and the numbers are they're at we're not gonna hold this property. We're just gonna come in and do what we gotta do and probably flip this house. But as you can see, the roof is nice. There's no issues with the roof. Outside the house looks pretty nice as well. No foundation issues. We just gonna come in and probably paint the outside, paint the shutters, and paint underneath the garage as well. So before we walk inside, guys, let me say this here. When you tackle projects like this, you better know your numbers. You gotta know where you need to be at. So when I got this property, got it on the contract, I pretty much did my numbers. So I knew exactly on the rehab side, I knew what I needed to be at. So when I got my contractor to come over, one of my contractors to come over, we walked it. I said, give me your number, labor only, guys, okay? If you ever flipping houses, guys, I do more videos about this later, but we want to just focus on labor. I want to know your labor costs, not your materials. I want to know your labor costs, because I want to separate those and see exactly what I'm paying for. So my contractor came back. I had a number in mind, and he was pretty much spot on with that number to get this project done. Really, to be honest with you, we was only $1,000 off on the numbers, man. So I was pretty much spot on. You know, doing these projects, you pretty much know your numbers. So what we're gonna do is look at the house. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna tell you guys what we're gonna probably do to the house to bring it back up to value. All right, guys, so look, we're here on the outside of the house. So what we're gonna do here, the fascia looks real good here. There's no issues with the fascia at all. We're gonna paint that fascia. We're gonna paint the brick as well. We're gonna paint those shutters, okay? And I'm gonna contemplate how I'm gonna paint it, but I'll figure that out later. We're gonna clean all this up, throw all this in the dumpster, clean it up. These doors here, we're gonna paint the trim, paint the door. We're gonna paint the attic door as well. Okay. Let's walk around to the back here. Let's walk around here to the back. We're gonna clean this up, throw all this stuff here in the trash. Again, if you look at the foundation here, it's pretty solid. The only cracks I see, just normal cracks. If you look at the fascia, it looks real clean, man. Look real clean. All we gotta do is paint. Clean up this backyard here. Clean all this stuff up. Put it in the dumpster. Fill in some holes here as well. Fill in some holes. Fix that little spot back there on the fence. Clean this backyard up here. Mow some more. Get those leaves off the top of the house. We're gonna probably paint over this little shed as well. And me and my contractor talked about it, but underneath here, this dirt here is actually concrete. So we're gonna have to get all this dirt up, clean this up to expose that concrete. That unit works, it looks okay. We're gonna roll with that. Roof looks good as well, guys. So here, just paint outside, clean up the backyard, and that's it. So let's make our way in. So as we look at the door here, looks like this part of here, this outside the glass here is broken. Just gonna have to get that replaced. The door looks pretty bad out here. When I say bad, I mean not the shape of the door, just just a little nasty. Just need to be cleaned up. This whole thing just basically just need to be cleaned up. All right, let's go on the inside and see what we got here, guys. So again, there are different levels of flipping houses. You have a light rehab, you got a medium rehab, and you got a heavy rehab. This is what I call a light to half medium rehab, and I'll tell you the reason why. Floors looks good. I like the door, but we're gonna let that go. We're gonna put a better door up there. We're gonna keep these floors here, guys. This house here, I named 9 Lives. Why? Because they had cats, and so I like to name my houses. All right, the floors look good. We just need to clean this stuff up, clean all this up. All right, the fascia around the house here looks real good. We're just gonna paint, change the ceiling fan out, paint this as well. That's gonna look good with those gray walls and that being white. That's gonna pop. Clean up more stuff around here, more stuff. We're gonna do more painting, change these lights out. Here in the kitchen, the countertops, we're gonna take these countertops up, the yellow countertops, and we're gonna put some quartz countertops in. All right, so quartz countertops are just as good as granite, but inside a house like this, it's gonna be $200,000 below. I wanna go quartz. And we look at the cabinets. Cabinets looks real good, folks. Cabinets look real good. All we're gonna do is change the hardware, paint them. I may have to change that dishwasher, but I'm gonna be able to keep that microwave and that stove. Just need to be cleaned up. Maybe keep the ice box, not too sure, okay? But more likely, again, clean up stuff here and make it look good. Now we got more stuff we gotta clean up. We got a couple of dishwashers and dryer here. Gonna see does that work, and probably keep it here as well. So again, go through the house here, bathrooms here. This is why I say this might be more of a medium rehab versus a light. Because the light, I'll go come in here and just paint the cabinet, change the hardware, keep the countertops, and we'll just come in here and maybe reglaze the tub, get rid of the sliding doors, and maybe glaze everything else. But here, we're gonna keep the tub, we're gonna take out the sliding door, and we're gonna re-tile this in a modern day tile. Keep the floors here, everything looks good here, and no cracks or anything, but we're gonna change this countertop, put a better countertop and sink there, okay? So all the doors in the house, we're just gonna repaint them and put more knobs on there. Floor here and floor there and floor here, all different. So we're gonna take up the carpet in both rooms here, and we're gonna take up the floor here and put carpet back down in all 3 of them, okay, to make sure they match. And this is a beautiful room the way it is, but so I hate to paint it. But I'm gonna come in and paint it and change it another color there, okay? Put a little primer, change the ceiling fan as well. And so these bedrooms are kind of basic, all the same, folks. I mean, all the same. Nothing too crazy with the bedroom. And this master here as well, pretty much all the same. Change the countertop, change the hallway, paint. Come in the bathroom, rip all that out, put new tiles up there, bring it back to the 2024 look, and that's gonna look beautiful. So this house here, guys, is very basic, very simple. Nothing too crazy about this property at all. Nothing too crazy at all. We should be in and out of this thing here about 30 days and put it right back on the market. So when you think about it, guys, doing a type of rehab like this that don't take that much work besides the bathrooms and the countertops we're gonna put in the kitchen, it's really easy to flip, people. This is an easy flip. But the only way you're able to come across these deals, you got to be able to put in work, guys. You got to be able to go out there online and search for properties, network with other agents, network with wholesalers, network with other investors. So you're able to come across these properties, get in front of those deals, and make it happen. Hey, if you want to be able to get up to a $10,000 check by using my free manual, show you how to get an assignment fee just by going out there, finding properties and bringing them over to us and allow us to buy them, I will tell you exactly where to go do it. So right here in the description over any video of mine, click on more and click on the link right there. Now you have your own copy. Now this house here was behind some thousands of dollars, so we had to catch up that payment as well. But we got all that straight. We got the house signed over to us, and we're ready to go, guys. So make real estate this year your year of going out there to make things happen, guys. Because it's a risk in doing real estate. It got to take money to do it. Whether it take your money or someone else's money, it's gonna take money to do it. But the thing is to know your numbers, to know that, hey, if I put 10 in it, I want to get 15 back or 20 back. You want to better do those things and make that profit, guys. And because there's no reason to do it if you're not gonna make a profit. Okay. So hey guys, don't forget to like, share, leave comments. Man, we're trying to grow this YouTube channel to 100,000+ people, but I cannot do it with your help. I give away free information. I'm here to answer all your questions. Put them in the comment section or DM me. I'm here to answer any questions that you have, guys. Help me out by sharing the channel, liking it, and doing all those things to boost this thing up in the search engine. So at the end of the day, guys, you guys have a blessed day. I'm out.